Hey guys, so I picked up these two power wheels for $20 each. They're in pretty rough shape. I can just get in there and show you. It's pretty dirty. Just look at it. So quite dirty, this Jeep. Batman car is quite dirty itself. Needs good cleaning, some beautification, and that's what I'm hoping I'm going to try and do. Just kind of clean it up, make it look pretty again, and it'll be off on its way. Sell it and go for something else. But those are the two projects I got going on here shortly. Try to make them look decent enough to sell them, and then off they go. Hey guys, so this is the Batmobile. You can see I already started cleaning it up. It looks quite a bit nicer here. Then down here it looks a lot pretty gray. And this is a nice, clean, shiny black. So it looks really good. Alright, so the problem with this one is it doesn't run. So I decided to take my battery, which I know is good, connect it up. Sorry for the lighting here, it's great. So my battery's connected up. I'll just throw it in here for now. The foot pedal is in there. We got in forward. It's not doing anything. So it's tough. Okay, nothing again. So I know the switch is here, because that's how you put it in forward and reverse. So we're going to hook the car up. We're going to take the battery off. Disconnect the battery. Flip the car up to find the switch. So we know the switch is right here. I've just taken the cover off, and if it's something like this, it's always good to mark your wires. So I know that's gray over here, 2 pink, that's what that means, 1 pink, and this one here is purple, so I just put purple. So I'm going to take a look at that and see what's going on. I suspect that the switch is dirty, and that's all it is. So I'm going to take off these 4 screws, pop those cables off, and take a look at the switch, and I'll see you in a sec. See here in the light, that switch is really dirty. So we're going to clean it up, and we'll throw it back in and see if we got any movement. As you can see, we got the switch all cleaned up. You can see it's shining there. Also I cleaned up that connector as well. Full focus. Yep, so now we're just going to go put it back in. I have nothing there. So next step is we're gonna take a look at that pedal switch and go from there. Hey guys, here's the Batmobile. I got the top off. It's just right there. So I got the top off, looked at some stuff. I cleaned up all this stuff here. It was pretty dirty up in there. Wiped it all down. Looks good. Again, I didn't have to take the top off to get it working. We just found out that there was like a master power switch or like an on and off switch. It was a turn knob, which I didn't realize that was there. And then I flipped the module for the gears. So that switch, I flipped it the other way, and now it goes forward is forward and reverse is reverse. Because I had it the other way, I guess, when I put it in. So when I put it in forward, it was going in reverse and vice versa. So this one, it's pretty nice. It's got 3 gears, 1 and 2, and a reverse. So yeah, it's pretty much cleaned up. I'm liking the look of it. I'm going to put her all back together here and get her for sale. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. I mean, it was in a lot rougher shape, so I think I'm pretty happy with it. There's still batteries there. So yeah, that's some of it. It works. It's good to go. So we're going to put her back together here. And here's the top. So we'll get her all back together. Here's that on and off switch for the power, so you don't kill the battery. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get her back together and put her up for sale. So without further ado, we're gonna start putting her back together. I'll show you clips, pieces at a time here, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so I got the side panels on here now. Got one on the other side as well. We got the side panel on there, so I'm going to be putting the top on. All I have to do is put a couple screws in the side panel. I think there's three or four screws in the side panel here. So I'll do that. And I'll get the top on first and get that clipped into place, and then I can go around and put in all the screws. So that's where I'm at. See you soon. Hey guys, so this is the Batmobile all done. It's looking nice. Again, I use that plastic restorer. Really looks good. Cleaned stuff up quite a lot. So quick walk around. It looks pretty damn good. Other side's pretty much the same. Works here.